Alright guys, what's up? Northwest Mechanic here. So, my mom and I are taking her car to the shop to get the CV joint replaced. So just gotta start it up and hopefully it'll start up this time. And I've got one new subscriber, so I thank you very much for that. More videos about this car actually will be coming because I gotta get behind the cluster and repair the little light that lights up the RPM and the gas and temperature. So she'll be home in 5 minutes. Oh no, you're kidding. Oh. Ugh. Okay, this could take longer than I thought. Hopefully it won't take more than like a couple of minutes to charge. So once I get it hooked up and everything, I'll be right back with you guys, alright? Alright, got plugged in, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. I think she needs a new battery. Sorry, I was running because I gotta get this car warmed up before she gets here so the window can defrost. And what I gotta do also is mount the rearview mirror back on. There's a few things I need to do to this car. The rearview mirror needs to be back on. The light fixture in here needs to be, oh, it works. I didn't think it did. Okay. And I need to fix the lights behind the cluster on this side where the temp gauge is, as I said, and the fuel gauge and the RPM gauge. And one thing I'm not going to be able to do, I'm not a professional on body work. The driver's side door hinge needs to be fixed. So I need to find a place here where I live and see how much they would charge to fix that. So, alright. Hopefully get it started now. Really? Wow. Okay then. It's even on is the question. Yeah, it's on. Just deader than dead again. The positive was a little crooked. I had to straighten that out, but I think that's all. Oh man. Okay, let's see what the gauge is reading on this thing. Yeah. So as you can see, it's very, very low. So this is a boost, this is good, and this is basically dead battery. And I have it on 12 volt boost right now. So trying to and I don't know why my camera just took a picture, but okay. So I will be right back with you guys. Alright.